Just because you work more hours than somebody doesn't mean you're going to be more successful or you're going to make more money. Me personally, over the last 3 years, I have completely automated my agency to the point where I literally only work 4 hours a week and I do one coaching call a week. It's because I built systems and I worked smarter, not harder. The world and Gary Vee and all these guys on Instagram want you to believe that if you just wake up at 5 a.m., you work all these hours, you're gonna get ahead of your competitors. But if I work smarter than you, I could work 4 hours a day, you could work 10, I'm still gonna beat you because I know the right steps in order and the right quality control to get to the end result that I want. So stop looking at your friends who might be ahead of you or people online who are ahead of you and be like, oh, I just gotta work 18 hours a day and I'll be there. Like, no, you actually will not. You are gonna burn yourself out. You're not gonna get the results that you want, and you're gonna be stuck in the same spot that you are because you're gonna be working 18 hours a day, but are you doing the right things? Make sure you're doing the right things that are calculated and obviously progressing you in the right direction. Stop looking at everybody on Instagram who's pulling up in a Rolls Royce and think that 18 hours a day is gonna get you a Rolls Royce. Working 4 hours a day instead of 18 and 4 hours with a clear mindset, more clarity, less stress, more optimism, and just more optimization of your time is gonna get you that Rolls Royce, not working 18 hours a day. Stop that.